Happy Saturday morning to my crypto traders. And they got the big break. We went up above that resistance trend line. We made the new highs. I will tell you that crypto could go to 94,000 to the upside with Donald Trump in office. Yeah. Okay. And I'm not a Republican, I'm not a Democrat. I just know that crypto has got his endorsement and it caused a big breakout, which is great for us crypto traders and crypto followers. I do have a crypto trading platform. Yeah, for you crypto traders. All you got to do is be brave enough to call me and change your life. That's all you have to do. Take that first step, and then the rest falls into place. That is certainly the truth. We have been updating crypto for the last since 2009, and I can tell you I've called this thing to a T for all the crypto traders. I have crypto trading platform. I also have crypto trading capital. It takes money to make money. That issue won't be a problem. The only problem is going to be you. And how bad do you taste the money? How bad do you want that money? I would want that money right now. And I would take full advantage of the opportunities that lay ahead of you in the crypto world and Bitcoin.